Arrive in style with this 2003 Toyota Highlander base. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: ABS, passenger vanity mirror, front reading lamps, steel wheels, power mirror, power door locks, power windows, automatic headlights, and CD player. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.